Thank you for viewing Phenom, the #1 most secure video conferencing and online meeting software. To get started, let's open the application and log in. Once we've logged in, we see a default contact screen. By clicking Manage Contacts, we can search for people within the network and add them to our list of primary contacts. Once we added a contact, that person's information shows up in the contact list in the Unfiled category. We can easily sort contacts into different groups to make communications easier. Let's assign the contact we just added to a new group. Now let's take a look at some of Phenom's features, such as the unique peer-to-peer email. Phenom's email works just like a regular email client, except it is only sent to others within the list to ensure unequaled security. We can also save emails as drafts to finish later. Next, we'll move on to Phenom's conferencing space. As you can see, Phenom's conferencing screen incorporates several different features. There's a list of all the current meeting attendees at the top left. Users can invite more meeting participants or share files from this box. Let's share a sample organizational chart so that every meeting participant has a local copy of the file. Of course, one of Phenom's strengths is its video conferencing features. Phenom's video conferencing is one of the most robust in the industry and is limited only by your available bandwidth. Phenom supports multiple simultaneous video and audio streams, and users can tailor video size and data rate to match their connection. Let's decrease the size of this video window. Users can also type notes on the presentation for their personal reference. Notes can then be shared between users, ensuring that the key takeaways for any meeting are communicated to each participant without having to wait to receive them later. Let's go ahead and make sure that everyone has a basic outline of the goals for this meeting. Another feature of Phenom's meeting space is the shared web browser. With this feature, all meeting participants can view the same web page simultaneously. Phenom's meeting space supports multiple tabs and allows users to access any information that can be accessed through a normal browser window. We can also use a built-in whiteboard to display information graphically. We can include graphics on the white space to make sharing pre-formatted information easier. In our case, we can upload an existing organizational chart, then use the whiteboard features to show potential changes. In addition, we can use the rich text-enabled chat. Users can enter and format information to highlight important points. We can modify Phenom's meeting space to meet our personal needs. For example, if we're not using the video conferencing during this meeting, we can disable the video and audio panel to free up more space. We can also stack and unstack panels to make the best use of the meeting space. It's nice that our favorite layouts can also be saved for later use. Now let's talk about one of Phenom's most important features, file sharing. Phenom's file sharing allows us to share important files effortlessly. From the file sharing window, we can access files in our local shared folder, as well as any files we downloaded in conferencing sessions. We can also set permissions for our folders. We can let other users view file names, read the actual files, or even edit files. Phenom automatically creates shared folders for each group and each user. This way we can ensure that certain files are only accessible by certain groups or users. Because Phenom is built on a peer-to-peer architecture, the program automatically downloads files from multiple sources whenever possible, ensuring efficient usage of available bandwidth. In summary, Phenom provides the highest level of security and has built-in crystal clear video conferencing. Plus, it features secure email, extremely easy file sharing, collaborative whiteboard, and a shared browser. All the tools needed to make your next remote meeting even more effective. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the capabilities of Phenom, the #1 most secure video conferencing and online meeting software. Go to the Phenom website today to download a free trial or purchase. Thank you.